Today we got to do a cabin filter on this 2011 Infiniti EX35. Most likely the same thing with the G's, G37, G35, same process. So let's get it. Okay, so this will be behind this glove box. Okay, so you gotta empty this out, or if you want, leave it in there and just pop it out like so. Just pop it from here, side to side, or just pop from the bottom. Just pull on it like that. There you go. Then you got this thing over here. You have to remove, pop it off. As you see, popped off. Okay, you gotta remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's drop this down. Probably don't need to do that, but and the screw here and screw right here. Let's take them off. Oh yeah, that's the middle one. The front is the middle one. What was that middle bolt? Anyways, now let's drop this down. Let's pull on this. Oh yeah, let's take this off right here, the side. Man, I forgot about that. Anyways, now I should be able to pull down. So if you want, just let this hang. Let this hang, because all you need to do, all we need is this door right here. Okay, so let's do that right now. Let's push it on it, and it should pop open, and it should go back. Okay, side to side. See that? They still have the original one, Nissan, on there. That's how you know they never changed it. You see that? Nissan. Okay, let's pop this out. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. This thing is black. Ooh, it's supposed to be white. Let me show you. Let me show you real quick. Look at the difference. One's black, one's white. Look at that. Mad duck. Look at this. Oh, this garbage. Let's see how it is. Look at this. Sheesh. Damn, so much dust in here. Look at that. Look at the dust. Woo. Anyways, let's replace this with the new one. Okay, so it's the new one. Usually it has an arrow on there, airflow. Yeah, so make sure the arrow is face down, because you know the airflow is coming downwards. Okay, so make sure it's faced like that, because if you put it upside down, the words will be upside down, and that would be common sense to not put it that way. So arrow face down. Now let's put the cover back on there. Some people like to put like air freshener in there, so when they put the air on, they smell it. But I ain't doing that. Let's put this back on there. Okay. Once you line it up, it snaps in like so. Boom. Let's put everything back together. Yeah, make sure your light stays in place. Let's put the screws back on. Okay, once you put your screws back on, put this bottom thing back on there. There's a slot over there. It goes up. Same thing over here. The slot. Put it in there and up. Up with it. Should snap in. Okay, it's done. Let's put the other one back on. Make sure you pull this. Put it on the bin and put it back on there. Okay, so yeah, once you put the side back on there, you should snap in the bottom, put it down, Make sure the top are in. Tops. That's it. Close it. Put the side back on there. And that is it. So, if I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.